Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a tutorial on how to set up your Boya MM1 microphone and how to troubleshoot any issues you may have with this microphone, whether it be set up on your phone or your DSLR camera. So I've had this microphone for a very long time now and I use it for all of my videos, except for this one because obviously I'm talking about it. I've done a review on this microphone. If you want to go check it out, it'll be up in the corner. And today we're going to look at how to actually set it up and if there are any issues on how to sort them out. So as I mentioned, this microphone can be set up on your camera, on your DSLR camera, or it can be plugged into your phone. So I'm going to jump to the desk and I'm going to give you a nice clear shot of what I'm doing with the microphone to set it up on my camera and my phone. Once we've done that, I'll come back here and describe how to troubleshoot any issues that you might be having with this microphone. So starting off with a phone, I'm using a voice recorder. That is what I use this microphone with. So here is the voice recorder. It does work on camera as well. You don't have to worry about that. So here is the Boya MM1, which we're going to be plugging into the phone. So we're going to use this wire. This is the straight wire. You don't want the wire with coils in it. And here you can see there are labels, one with a mobile phone and one with the microphone on it. So you put the angled end of the wire into the microphone, and when you push it in, listen for the click. And then taking the other end, so the straight end, also the end with the phone label on it, you just put this into the headphone jack of your phone. And a notification should pop up saying that an external microphone will be used. So that is how you set it up on a phone. Very easy to do. And then for the camera, here I have my Canon 250D. And I'm going to be plugging in the Boya MM1 microphone again. And so for the camera, we're going to use the wire with coils. Now, my wire has lost its labels, but again, there should be little labels, one with a microphone and one with the camera. Signs, you know which end to put in which. So again, we take the angled end of the wire and click it into the microphone. Then you have to find the microphone port on your camera. So mine is on the side here, and I'll just lift up this flap, and then I can put the wire into the hole labeled microphone. And then you can simply put the microphone onto the cold shoe. You don't have to, you can have it further away from the camera if you want to eliminate lens noise. And again, this is set up and it should work automatically. However, you might want to just check your settings. So I'm going to turn the camera on and go into the settings of my camera. And here I can find sound recording, and mine says auto, which means it should be working fine. You just want to check that, because if it is on a different setting, if it's disabled or even manual, it may not work. I'm not a microphone expert, so you can probably do it on manual as well, but safest bet is to go auto. So let's get back to the chair. So now you know how to set up the microphone on your DSLR camera or your phone, we're going to talk about issues that may arise with the microphone. First of all, you might be hearing wind on your microphone. Now, when I originally got this microphone, I had it on top of my camera, and the camera lens makes noise as it focuses, so just make sure it's not actually lens focus noise instead of wind. So if you want to use this microphone, it's a good idea to have it away from the camera. Secondly, the microphone may not be plugged in properly. These wires are quite tough to get into the microphone. You've got to push them in properly for it to work well. I've had it where it's only been pushed in a certain amount and it does still work. However, unless you push it in and you want to hear the click, then you may get noise or the microphone may not pick up and it may not work. You also have to check the connection between the device you're plugging it into, whether that be your phone or your camera, because if the wire going into your phone or camera isn't plugged in properly, the same can happen. The dead cat on this microphone is very good at blocking out noise. As I say, I'm a wildlife photographer, so I go out into the woods, I go out in windy conditions, and I have only once experienced an issue with the wind, and even then it survived very well and still produced good noise. The day I'm talking about, I was filming the Team C's video, which you can go see on my channel. It's a fundraiser set by Mr. Beast and Mark Rober. A little plug there, but it was a really windy day, but I had to go out and film it because it was for this campaign, and this microphone came in handy with reducing the wind. Other issues I've experienced with this microphone is the casing. As I described in my review, the red stand on the microphone has broken for me, and so as I'm walking along and vlogging, sometimes this can knock the microphone and make some annoying noise. I'm sorry if you've experienced that watching my videos, but I'm trying to get that fixed, and that can be another thing that adds in unwanted noise to a video. So if there are any other issues you have, put them in the comments down below and I'll try and help. Otherwise, you may just have a faulty microphone if it still doesn't work. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it useful. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.